Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, we have an exciting update regarding the Tomarket bot platform, and I'm here to break it down for you. We're going to look at the new changes, especially the new currencies that have appeared, and how you can increase your earnings on the platform. But before we jump into the details, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our daily content. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel where we share the latest bots and new ways to earn money as soon as they're released. So, if you head over to the Tomarket bot right now and click on the airdrop section, you'll see something called Weekly Airdrop. Below that, it shows you how many stars you've accumulated and how many Toma Coins you have. It also gives you the option to claim your rewards. When you click the Claim button, you'll notice that your coins have been updated and increased, just as you can see right here on the screen. If you click on it, it will show you the total number of coins you've earned and give you more information on the update. Now let me explain what this update is all about. The main idea is that it allows you to convert the things you've done during the week, whether it's earning Toma Coins or completing tasks, like referring friends those stars you've accumulated, into additional Toma Coins. These extra coins boost your airdrop rewards. To get these rewards, here's what you need to do. 1. Gather Tomatoes Toma Coins. 2. Invite friends to join the platform. 3. Spin the mystery boxes daily as part of the daily mystery combo tasks. After around 5 days, which is about 4 days and 19 hours, you will be able to claim your Toma Coins. This will continue as long as you keep completing the tasks. The update gives you a way to earn coins through daily tasks, spinning the mystery boxes, and other activities, as you can see here on the screen. By completing these tasks, you'll increase your stars, and those stars can then be converted into Toma Coins. In my opinion, this update isn't the best just yet. It seems like the airdrop is still in the early stages, and we're not seeing the full potential yet. They haven't officially announced the exact date for the official airdrop, and right now, they're just calling it a weekly airdrop. So, it seems like the process is going to take some time. What I recommend is that you focus on working hard during this period to ***, accumulate as many stars and Toma Coins ***, as you can. This way, even if you don't have many coins right now, you'll be in a better position to earn a lot more once the airdrop officially kicks in. That wraps up today's explanation. I hope you found the update helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our daily videos. I'll see you in the next episode.